In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trail your stop loss on FX Replay. So this is a really simple process, guys. Once we are on our chart and we are ready to set a trade, what we can do is just enter a trade. So let's just say I'm going long from this position right here. Obviously set your take profit and things wherever you like. So I will just do something, I will actually make my take profit a little bit higher. So once I'm ready to do this, highlight, go to place order, and then I can then go and market execute this position. Once we do this, what I'm going to do now is I'm just simply going to wait and see what happens with price. So let's just play price forward. As you see, we're coming up a little bit now, and then we're having a little bit of a pullback. So once we break this high right here, I might then want to trail my stop loss below this low. So let's just see. So we've now comfortably broke this high, right? So what I can do now is I can come to the right hand side, grab my stop loss, and then I can place it, just below this low right here, and then that will mean that I'm now trailing my stop loss. Let's just see what happens. Let's just play price forward. It's then broke up even further, so what I can do now, click on my stop loss and then move my stop loss more into profit, meaning obviously then I have banked more profit. So it's just that simple to trail your stop loss on FX Replay, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.